William Shakespeare's Twelfth Night is a comedy of mistaken identity, love, and disguise. After a shipwreck separates twins Viola and Sebastian, Viola disguises herself as a young man named Cesario and enters the service of Duke Orsino. Orsino is in love with Lady Olivia, but when he sends Cesario to deliver his messages, Olivia falls for Cesario instead. Meanwhile, Viola secretly loves Orsino, creating a love triangle filled with confusion. At the same time, Olivia's servant Malvolio is tricked by her other attendants into believing Olivia loves him, leading to comic humiliation. When Sebastian arrives, mistaken identities cause further chaos, but in the end, the truth is revealed. Viola and Orsino are united, as are Olivia and Sebastian. The play ends with love and celebration, reinforcing its joyful and humorous tone. Twelfth Night is a play that explores love, identity, and the nature of comedy. Shakespeare uses disguises and mistaken identity to create humour, while also challenging traditional ideas of love and gender roles. Viola's disguise allows her to move freely in a world dominated by men, showing the limits placed on women in Shakespeare's time. The subplot involving Malvolio adds another layer of comedy, as his pride leads to his downfall. The play also includes moments of sadness and longing, making it one of Shakespeare's most emotionally rich comedies. With its witty dialogue and clever twists, Twelfth Night remains a timeless and entertaining play. The play explores different forms of love, showing how it can be passionate, foolish, or unrequited. Orsino claims to love Olivia, but his affection is more about the idea of romance than true connection. Olivia, in turn, falls for Cesario, without realising Viola is actually a woman. Viola's love for Orsino is the most genuine, as she admires him even while hiding her true identity. Shakespeare shows that love can be unpredictable and irrational, but also transformative. Viola's disguise as Cesario creates much of the play's comedy and confusion. She is able to interact with Orsino and Olivia in ways that would not be possible as a woman. Her disguise also raises questions about identity. If people fall in love with an appearance rather than a person's true self, how real is love? The mistaken identity of Sebastian further complicates things, highlighting how perception shapes reality. Shakespeare suggests that identity is fluid, and people are not always what they seem. Comedy in Twelfth Night often comes from the foolish behaviour of the characters. Orsino's dramatic ideas about love, Malvolio's self-importance, and Sir Andrew Aguecheek's ridiculous attempts at duelling all add to the humour. At the same time, characters like Viola and Feste, the clever fool, use wit and intelligence to navigate the chaos around them. Shakespeare contrasts foolishness with true wisdom, showing that the ability to laugh at life is often more valuable than taking oneself too seriously. Viola is the play's most intelligent and resourceful character, using her disguise to survive and shape events around her. She is kind, loyal, and able to adapt to difficult situations, making her one of Shakespeare's most beloved heroines. Orsino is dramatic and loves the idea of love more than love itself, but he grows throughout the play. Olivia is both serious and impulsive, falling quickly for Cesario without knowing the truth. Malvolio, though proud and foolish, is also treated cruelly, showing how comedy can have a darker side. Feste, the wise fool, is one of the most insightful characters, using humour to reveal deeper truths. Through these characters, Twelfth Night explores love, identity, and the fine line between wisdom and folly.